Hey everybody, Jonathan Scott. We're here at College of Southern Nevada, Department of Hospitality Management. We're here with Professor Philip Perdone.
Hello, welcome.
How did you find yourself here at College of Southern Nevada?
Well, I did a career at the Nevada Gaming Control Board in their enforcement division, found out I could come over here and continue my skills as teaching all the casino management programs, and decided to make the jump.
Without anybody yelling at you?
Without anybody yelling at me. That's right.
So tell us a little bit about the program and what people can expect out of it.
Sure, here at the program, we have all of the classes from surveillance to cage, the slot department, table games management, anything you can learn about the managing the casino, as well as learning to deal all of the games right here at the casino lab.
Hit me! Hit me! Hit me!
Straight flush. Too bad you're not playing poker.
Now, when students want to learn about dealing specifically, since that's new, what would the program consist of?
Well, we have classes that involve all the games from blackjack to craps to roulette, poker, baccarat that we would like to offer all of the students. When you come in to learn a game, even if you've never dealt a game out in the casino floor, we teach you how to hold the cards, we teach you how to work with the chips and how to stack them, the proper procedures behind the dealing aspect of the game, and the proper way to notify your floor supervisors behind you as to what's going on the game.
I know, having worked in casinos quite a bit, that surveillance is a big thing.
We have a whole surveillance class that we have. We have cameras in here that we can look down on the different cards and train them as to what they're looking for. They go through systems, they learn all of the different cheating ways and things to be able to detect them right on the table. That's something we also want to teach the dealers too, is how to detect that cheating, because they're our first line defense right there on the table.
We're still in there.
19. Ooh. We got there 9. Lose. Unfortunate.
I lost again in my first hand.
So we have procedures for picking up cards, we have procedures for dealing them out, as well as the hospitality end of things, where we want to make sure that the dealers are interacting with the players and making sure that the players are having a great time at the tables.
That's super important, because it's got to be more than anything else. It's got to be fun, right?
It's got to be, and that's why we're in the Department of Hospitality.
Now, what drew you to the program here at College of Southern Nevada?
I'm interested in computers and technology, and all that comes into play when you're learning how to repair the machines and learning how they operate, how they function, from the ground up. I saw that CSN offered job placement through the slot tech program. So not only are they teaching you how to be a valuable asset to your future employers, they're also connecting that bridge, which sometimes that's the hardest part.
We're here with Jerry Pittman and Brian Brown, both what we would easily call slot techs. So Jerry, tell us a little bit about the program and what you teach.
Okay, I'm the primary instructor or lead instructor. We teach them everything from opening and closing the door to setting up very technical style, modern progressives. And we teach the older style legacy progressives as well. The 3 years I've been here, we've been able to place people about 80–85%. So working with different folks out there, there's such a huge demand for slot technicians. Our program is the only accredited slot technician program in the entire country.
We have 4 different manufacturers, from newcomers like Sega Sammy, that old Sega home video game system. Yeah. They're represented here. We have Light & Wonder. They've been in their business for a very, very long time. And then IGT as well. To get 4 very big competitors to come together to support this program was huge.
Well, that's what we love about Las Vegas, and that's what we love about CSN. So we invite you to go to csn.edu for more information. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Jerry.
Thank you.
Thank you, CSN. Buffalo!
Stay awake for more laughs and songs here on Insomniac Television.